Hi everybody, wanted to do a quick update here on the British pound, specifically the pound against the euro. Here is the chart behind me. Now this is a longer term chart. This actually dates back to 2012. We're potentially on the cusp of a pretty huge breakout here for the euro against the pound. That, or obviously a long-term area of resistance holds, and we're in for a big backtracking of the euro against the pound. As the chart indicates here, 93 level is the big one, as you can see through the peak through these two highs here. What we're questioning here is whether we get some form of triple top at the 93 level. I tend to think that 91 was the major resistance for a while. We popped through 91 with the breakout. We stalled at 93 as you would expect. We're pulling back off 91. I think probably a lot of the default ideas from retail traders here would be to try and sell the euro against the pound. But realistically, if I can update you quickly on the latest news flow from Brexit, Boris Johnson sent a letter to, I don't know if it was directly to Donald Tusk, but it was to the EU, generally directed at the negotiating team, the EU, maybe the Commission, saying that the Irish backstop needs to be removed for the UK Parliament to be able to pass the withdrawal agreement and allow Brexit to happen with a deal. Donald Tusk has responded saying the backstop has to stay. Now this is the game of ping pong that is likely to continue for the foreseeable future, at least for the time being, because the EU think that by holding strong they're going to increase the chances of a general election in the UK and for Boris Johnson to be thrown out, and possibly even a second referendum, which is what the Labour Party are moving towards now. So it's hard to really see what could actually send the euro lower here against the pound. Of course, there is some inherent weakness in the euro, and we're seeing the euro drop against the dollar. But in terms of against the pound, I tend to think that we're going to see a breakout here. Now, I don't necessarily think we're going to get to parity between the pound and the euro. So that would be the one level up here in the corner. That would be pretty historic. If we get up to this level up here. But worth noting, again, we're on the weekly candlestick chart here. The high for euro against the pound during the 2008 financial crisis was 98. So that is a potential upside target if we break out again above 93 here, with 94 a little interim bit of resistance as well. That to me seems the most likely scenario, but if we do get a drop through 91, then I think the chances of that are slightly reduced in the short term, and you get a little pop down to the middle of the range, maybe 88, and then the bottom of the range is at 85. Alright everyone, thanks a lot for watching. Jasper signing out.